Looking for the best teeth whitening toothpaste? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 teeth whitening toothpaste on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Neutripure Peasant All Natural Activated Charcoal Toothpaste. A natural toothpaste that uses activated charcoal to whiten teeth, which isn't likely to cause irritation or tooth pain. Has peppermint oil for a fresh flavor. Less pricey than other charcoal formulas. Worth considering for anyone who wants an alternative to traditional teeth whitening formula, but it may not provide satisfactory results for those with tough stains. Noticeable results may take a while or be minimal for users with badly stained teeth. At number 2. Colgate Baking Soda and Peroxide Whitening Toothpaste. Not only is this toothpaste made by a top-selling brand, but it gets rave reviews for its ability to remove stains for leaving a clean feeling in the mouth. Has a fresh mint flavor, contains baking soda. It's also affordable. Choose this teeth whitening toothpaste for removing/reducing mild to moderate tooth stains with the possibility of irritation in mind. Contains peroxide, which is known to cause tooth sensitivity and gum irritation in some users and or with frequent use. At number 1. Sensodyne Pronamel Strong and Bright Enamel Toothpaste. Distances itself from others on our list for its triple action properties, removes and prevents stains while protecting sensitive teeth by helping to strengthen enamel. Consumers rave about the creamy consistency, clean feeling, and minty flavor. If you are looking for a whitening toothpaste that works for most stains while also protecting teeth, this popular toothpaste has a lot to offer. Users with tough, set-in stains may see mixed results or require longer use before a noticeable difference. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.